Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba has urged the central government to take action against foreign narco-terrorists or separatists to restore normalcy in the state and to expedite completion of Imphal-Jiri-Imphal railway line in a short time during the parliament session today. Bringing up the Jiri-Imphal railway line project during the parliament's 0 hour, MP Sanajaoba highlighted the dire situation where around 20 lakh people in Manipur are facing extreme difficulties due to the state's reliance on national highways and air routes for connectivity, and stated that skyrocketing airfares have placed a financial burden on citizens. He added that prices of food grains and other essential commodities are reaching record highs, while stressing that the completion of the Imphal-Jiri-Imphal railway line is the only long-term solution to Manipur's connectivity crisis. MP Sanajaoba further maintained that violence along the highways still persists despite efforts from the state and central governments. He also said that many brave Jawans had suffered injuries and some also became martyrs while protecting civilians from atrocities caused by illegal immigrants, while alleging that these illegal immigrants received foreign aids. He further said that the Imphal-Jiri-Imphal railway line only reached Khongsang, despite the project that was started around 10 years ago. MP Sanajaoba also urged the government to complete Imphal-Jiri-Imphal railway line in a short time.
Jiri-Imphal railway line project started around a decade back. It has not been completed yet. Only Jiri-Imphal to Khongsang portion has been completed, but the remaining portion, that is from Khongsang to Imphal, is still incomplete due to many reasons. Sir, Manipur being a hilly state, our only connectivity with other states depend on national highways and airways. During rainy season, bringing in of essential commodities and traveling outside along the national highways are facing hardship due to bad roads, landslide and extortion by different armed groups, etc. Besides this, bans and economic blockades by different groups as a means of giving pressure to the government to meet their demands are becoming their normal practice. The reason why I urge upon this demand to the government is that during this ongoing crisis, around 20 lakhs Valley people could not travel outside the state through national highways, and they are facing financial problems for traveling by flight due to high prices of airfare. Moreover, the price of food grains and other essential commodities are also sky high. So railway has become the only alternative means to resolve all these problems.